Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a penguin. A cow. This is a cow. A panda. This is a panda. A triceratops. This is a triceratops. Elephant. This is elephant. A sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. A tiger. A starfish. This is a starfish. Elephant. This is elephant. A lion. A dog. The next one is a triceratops. This is a triceratops.